Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a blog to your Shopify store. This is a great way to share updates, connect with customers, and improve your store's visibility online. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, head over to shopify.com and log in to your account. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be taken to your Shopify homepage, which serves as your main dashboard for managing all aspects of your store. Now, on the left side of your screen, you'll see a vertical menu with various options. Look for and click on Content. This section is where you manage all the written material on your site, including pages and blog posts. From the drop-down that appears, click on Blog Posts. This will take you to the area where all your blog content is managed. Once you're in the Blog Posts section, look toward the top of the page and click on Manage Blogs. This is where you can create and organize different blog categories or sections for your store. If you're just starting out, you might not have any blogs set up yet, so this is the perfect time to create one. In the top right corner of the Manage Blogs page, you'll see a button that says Add Blog. Go ahead and click it. A new window will appear prompting you to input a title for your blog. Choose a name that reflects the type of content you'll be sharing, whether that's product updates, industry news, or helpful tips for your customers. Once you've entered the title, click Save. Your blog is now created and ready to be filled with posts. Next, go back to the Blog Posts section by clicking Blog Posts on the left side menu again. This time, you'll see an option at the top to create blog post. Click on it to start writing your first post. You'll be taken to an editor where you can input a title and content for your blog post. Take your time here to craft something engaging and valuable for your readers. On the right side of the screen, you'll see several settings for your post. Look for the section labeled Visibility and click on Visible to make sure your post will be published. Just below that, you'll see a field labeled Blog with a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down and select the blog you just created. This tells Shopify where to publish your post. Once everything looks good, click Save to finalize your blog post. Now, let's make sure your blog is easy for customers to find. On the left side of your screen, click on Menus under the Content section, then click Main Menu. This is where you control the navigation links at the top of your store. Click Add Menu Item to create a new link. In the name field, type blog so customers know exactly what they're clicking on. Then, click on the link field and select blog from the options that appear. From there, choose the blog you created earlier. Once that's done, click Save at the bottom of the page, and that's it. Your blog is now live on your Shopify store and accessible through your main menu. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.